Good afternoon. Χαίρετε. Χαίρετε. Garfield. Garfield. Hey, beautiful girl. Look at those beautiful sorry. Beautiful cats. I see dogs in my dreams. Beautiful cats. This is Garfield. He's so lovely. Garfield with his friends. He's so gentle. He bites me so gentle. He's amazing. Garfield. This lovely mama, she was only bones when I found her in the rubbish. This lovely cat there. She was only bones. She has the FIV, AIDS of the cats. But she's having a normal life. There's nothing. It's something like she has the virus inside, but it's not active. And she's so big. And this is her babies. They was kittens when I found them. Now they are big. But nobody is interested to adopt them because they have these AIDS of the cats. But it's not active. They have a normal life. And it's the same about Garfield. Because he has the virus inside, that not means that they cannot be adopted. They can have a normal life. They are healthy. They are bigger than the healthy ones. Well, they are healthy. They are healthy. So this is the cats, one of the cats areas here. One of the cats areas here. And Gandhi must be somewhere here, but Gandhi, he always like to hide, not to hide. He has his places where he likes to stay. Oh my God! They just scratched my legs. This is what I don't like from the cats. You see? I will show you. That's the blood coming out. That's what I don't like from the cats. They can say I love you by killing you. Oh my God. This is what I don't like from the cats. They can scratch you. They can take your blood out to say I love you. Oh, look. Garfield. And I was saying the best about Garfield, and after, maybe because he wants more attention from me, that's why he did it. He scratched my legs too. Oh my God. It's okay. No pain, no gain. Garfield. You naughty boy, you naughty boy. That means that he loves me. The most bites I have, the most love I get from the cats. There is Gandhi. There is Gandhi, there. When I found him, I have to look my back now. I'm not trusting them anymore. I look my back now. I'm bleeding. Gandhi, you naughty boy. And it's painful. So there's Gandhi. He's scared of people, so he tried to hide when I go close. Gandhi is under the trees here with his friends. Gandhi with Garfield. Let's see where they live inside. How is the place inside? Empty. And it's so cool inside here. Outside it's so hot, but in here it's so cool. So lovely and clean. And so cool for them. Okay. So this is an update about the cats, one of the cats areas. Now I have to go. I have to go because even if it's Sunday, I have a lot of work to do. Well, I have to do more work than the other days because Sunday, the workers are not here. So we do more work. We don't have any workers at Sunday. So I have to do more work. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye from Garfield and his friends. Bye-bye. Yasas.